Okay, so just to give you guys an update, my group members and we decided to obtain our open water certifications for diving. This is where we appreciated the weight and the gravity of the marine biodiversity, specifically this legacy project of Sea of Life of JCI Manila.
Hello po! We are very much happy to announce na may nahanap po kaming isa pang partner sa Project Kilo. Sila po ay si Ginhawa Craft Studio. Ginhawa Craft Studio will be in charge of creating our statues for our artificial habitats. These statues, we hope to attract more viewers, hopefully more people to participate with marine biodiversity advocacy, and help out the local activities.
I like the idea of imagining small fishes and squid hiding in holes sa artwork namin. The idea of adding an artificial reef to a denuded sand zone in our beaches. So we're hoping na matagal siya magamit, but then the cement will be there and the other organisms will continue to build on it. So yun yung point. We hope it's gonna be there for a long time.
To show our appreciation to our partners and major sponsors, we will be putting their logos on the base and platform of the statues.
Ngayon, nandito na tayo sa paggawaan ng artificial reefs with our partners, Ginhawa Craft Studio. Nakita natin kung gaano kalaki ang effort na binibigay para ma-preserve ang ating karagatan. Hindi man lahat makasama sa amin makalublob sa dagat at di man lahat kayang gawin kung ano yung mga ginagawa namin, pero bawat isa po sa atin, naniniwala kami na kaya nating makagawa ng paraan para kahit konti man lang, meron po tayong magawang tulong para sa ating kalikasan. In a simple ways, kagaya lamang ng tamang pagtatapon ng basura at pagkakaroon ng kaalaman para hindi natin masira ang ating mga coral reefs. Kaya sana, this video will inspire you to do your part para kahit sa simpleng paraan, alam mo, may magagawa ka.
Patuloy niyo po kaming samahan sa proyektong ito at suportahan. At lahat po tayo ay maging sea advocate upang protektahan ang ating karagatan na pinagkaloob sa atin ng Panginoon.
So let's all protect our seas, support our communities, and let's keep it local.